How to set and apply timer on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So as you can see, I am already on my TikTok app. So if you want to make a video, you just have to click on that plus icon from the bottom of the corner from the main toolbar. And let me show you how to set the timer. So at the right of the screen, you just have to find the timer icon. So it's this one right here next to flash. So from here you want to choose how many seconds do you want the timer to be, 10 seconds or 3 seconds. So I will leave it just to 3, so it will be very short. And then from here you want to drag this bar and let them know how many seconds your video will want to be. So I will leave it just to 3 seconds to keep it short, and then hit on start recording. So here is timer, and those 3 seconds passed. So after that you just have to click on the check mark. So this is the video. You can now add some text, effects, sound, and stickers. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.